This is where it ended. I have a lip gloss addiction, guys. But before we got here, there was this moment where I decided no human being born of a woman deserved to put me in this state. So after crying, it was time for me to move on. I start by applying palm kernel oil to my hair. I know we said new products, but we are working on a limited budget here. I fingered the detangle immediately after. I wanted to rush over this, but I remembered I have nowhere to go, and nothing else is as important as taking care of myself now. I put myself first. It is funny how the relationships we think are naturally important are not that important. It really hurts when you realize the bond of blood is not as strong as we are made to believe. But we have to accept it and admit that family is not who we thought it was. I don't know why it took me so long to realize that anybody can be cut off. Holding on to a relationship just because it is family is not enough. I like putting my hair in twists just because it gives me a clearer view of what I'm doing. I am a little extra today. I am not letting anything rush me. So I go back in for another round just because I want to. Growing up in a traditional African home, I was taught to keep quiet and let others talk, no matter what their words do to me. I will no longer do that. I have had it. My hair is already looking better, right? I put my hair in a plastic bag for about an hour and it is time to wash it. My hair was not particularly dirty because it had been under a bonnet since the last time I washed it. So I did not really test the cleaning capacity of this Elvive Smooth Intense Smoothing Shampoo. Wow. It did a great job this time though. I also bought the conditioner from the same line. I got both of them for 5,000 francs. That should be about $10. I normally would not use a conditioner, but I already said it. We are being extra today. I do not like washing my hair in a bathroom because I did not grow up doing it like that. I grew up washing my hair in a big bath over a big bath. Bend over the bath and you pour water on your head. This one is too messy. I avoid cleaning as much as I can. I don't mean I'm dirty. I mean I avoid messing up places so I don't have to clean. Like they always say, you can take the girl out of the village, but you cannot take the village out of the girl. In my other videos, you'll see me wash my hair over the bath like I was talking about, but I couldn't do that today. It was rainy outside. By the time I wanted to detangle, my hair was so dry. This conditioner is not the best to detangle. I had to wet my hair again, and it made it just a little bit better. I still had to be extra careful though. I even thought about getting another conditioner, but it was too far. If you have been here before and you're not subscribed, please tell me in the comment section why you're not subscribed. But if you are new here, welcome. I hope this video makes you want to stay. But if not, just look around. Feel free to look around on the channel. You'll surely find something that will make you want to stay. This deep conditioner. Oh, Father. The smell. I wish I could stay here all day, but we have a video to complete. This is the Mega Growth Anti-Breakage Strengthener. Not me reading like a primary school child. It not only smells amazing, but it is cheap. I got it for 500 francs. Yes, you heard me right. I said 500 francs. That is about $1 or less. I also thought it had more slip than the conditioner I used earlier. I don't know if you have noticed the way I apply my products. I do not just put them there. I take time to massage them on the entire length of my hair. If you have not been doing this, try it and tell us how it turns out for you. Do not forget the edges, front and back. I forgot the sides, but you should also do the sides. This is very important for those of us trying to grow our edges. You already know my heat cap. I add my microfiber towel on top of it so it produces more heat. I wanted to show you how the deep conditioner worked before washing it off. Look at these results. Just take a close look at these coils. My first impression of this deep conditioner is a good one. I always thought since they were into relaxers, their products would not work well on natural hair. All I need to moisturize my hair is a regular conditioner and hair grease. Look at that smile. Little things always make me so happy. In my next video, I am going to tell you how I ended up finding the right conditioner for this after a year spent searching. I start with the conditioner, then I apply the hair grease in second position. Notice the way I apply the products and massage it on the entire length of my hair. I actually wanted to style my hair immediately after this, but it did not turn out right, so I just put my hair in braids and went to bed. If you are still watching at this point, leave a red heart in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Remember that it might be difficult now, but you are going to make it. Bye.